Viewers, welcome back again to another yet amazing interesting tutorial on how you can be able to fix the yellow triangle on the internet. I go by the name Charming and this is Charming Creative Studios. Let's jump in. So this is the triangle that we are talking about, and at this point you are not connected to the internet or your computer does not have internet access. So what you need to do, you just need to point on the Wi-Fi or the internet you are connected to. Right click to retrieve a command for Open Network and Sharing Center. Point and click on the internet that you are connected to. Then from here you can be able to see the details, wireless and properties and so on. So you just need to click on properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4. And then on this part you just need to click on this part, and then now we can move this window just on the side here. On the search tab here, on the Cortana feature of Windows 10, you just need to type CMD and press enter. Or you can just long press on the Windows key plus letter R to open the run command and type CMD and press enter. Alright, so at this part you just need to type ipconfig, press enter, and from this part here, so this is the part that we need for IPv4 address. So this is the IP that we are going to type on this search window here, or on this IP address part here. So this is 192.168.0 and then 100. Then press the tab or just click here on subnet mask, and then that one is supposed to fill automatically. And then on the default gateway, here it is. So you just need to put it 192. You just one and the same this one 168.0, and then on this part it should be 1. Then use the following DNS server address. Make sure that this one is here 8888 and then 8844. Press OK, and then it gives you this one here. Just press yes, then OK, and boom, now you see we have been able to clear the yellow triangle on our internet, and now we have got an internet access. So thank you guys for following up. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click on the notifications bell, share and like the video. See you on the next one. Keep on growing. Adios.